Hi friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and if this is your first video watching, then you might not feel like this scene or this background is different. But if you are not new here and you have seen some of my other sit-down videos, this is going to be the new normal around here because I'm going to be traveling and I'm going to be in different locations like pretty much every single week for the next couple months. So videos are going to look different every single time, and I hope that the audio quality is good, video quality is good. Just let me know. So today we're going to be talking about the things that I am bringing food-wise and supplement-wise to Europe. So if you don't already know, I am going to Europe for 4.5 months. Link to a video down below that explains everything. I'm not going to dive into that now. But you guys also know that I am fairly particular about some of my things. So I am bringing some specific food items as well as some supplements, and I thought it would be helpful for me to share. I'm also going to be doing a whole packing video that will talk about how I'm like physically packing clothing, shoes, everything like that. So that will be next week. Keep your eyes peeled for that. So without further ado, let's start talking about my food. If you already know me, then you know I'm obsessed with matcha, and one of the things that I'm making sure to have with me is my matcha ingredients. So coconut butter, matcha powder, and my monk fruit extract. I'm going to be making my own matcha every single morning, and the reason I'm doing this is, one, I don't really drink coffee, and it's going to save me money. So I guess that's number two, it's going to save me money. And number three is matcha is just a really important part of my daily ritual, and I feel like having it every single day over there is kind of going to help ground me a little bit and help me feel like I'm in more of like a stable routine while we're moving around and like traveling so much. So the thing that I'm bringing is 3, maybe 4 containers of this little Ipoto matcha. I love this matcha. I'll link it down below for you. It's awesome. It's really high quality. It's what I use every single time. And again, this is the matcha, and this is what I'll be bringing. So this will probably last me at least a month, probably one of these. So that's why I'm going to bring probably 4, and then I'm going to have my cousin who's going to come visit me in October bring me probably my last container. To go along with that, I'm bringing coconut butter. You guys are going to think I'm nuts, but I am bringing, I think I have enough supply of coconut butter for the entire time we're over there in here. These are individual packets, and I basically break these packets into 2 or 3. So one packet lasts me usually 3 days, so I should have enough in here. And they are all individually wrapped. They are my favorite brand of coconut butter, and if you don't know why I add coconut butter, it adds healthy fats, makes it really creamy, and it's so delicious. So this is in a stasher bag. I actually have a few of these with me, and I'll link these down below for you as well as the coconut butter. I got this on Thrive, highly recommend it. It's awesome for travel. So matcha ingredients, and then my monk fruit extract, which is just like in a little container, and you guys have already seen that, so I'm not going to show you that. In addition to matcha stuff, I am bringing some Four Sigmatic packets. I love Four Sigmatic because they not only have matcha, so if I run out, it's like backup stash, but they also have little mushroom coffees. I'm going to bring some hot chocolate, and these are just like really nice to have with you, and they don't take up much room. So Four Sigmatic, I'm going to bring a bunch of these. I'm also going to bring some protein bars. I'm not quite sure exactly what kind, but I have a few different ones here. I'm probably only going to bring maybe 5 or 6, just to kind of tide me over with the travel stuff, because I'm sure I can get this kind of stuff over there. So I don't know which exactly, but if you follow me on Instagram, I'll be sure to let you know. Here I have some Garden of Life ones. I have my favorite Raw Rev bars. I have some red bars. So a mixture of those. And then the only other 2 things that I'm bringing food-wise is some green juice powder and some protein powder. So I have some of this Organifi. I'm going to show you it up close, but this is what it looks like. So it's Organifi's green juice powder, and it is really high quality. It tastes really good, and this is basically, I'm going to use this as a supplement if I can't find like a green smoothie in the morning, or if I'm just feeling like I need like a boost of greens. So I'm going to bring this with me, and I think I have 60 of those. I might only have 30 or 60, I can't remember. And then the other thing that I'm bringing is I'm only bringing 10 packets of this protein powder. I actually might not end up bringing it. I might just have this with me to take back to the East Coast, which I'm doing today actually. So I'm gonna bring these, I think, and this is just good to like have if I feel like I'm not getting enough protein. Maybe I'm just feeling like I want to be completely vegan for a day and I'm not getting enough protein in. I could mix that with water or almond milk. Maybe I could add it to a smoothie at a local smoothie shop. Not really sure. But that is pretty much all I'm bringing food-wise. Otherwise, I'm feeling like I can get everything that I need and want over there, hopefully. And if not, I'll just maybe order it. So everything that you guys see in this video will be linked down below. So I'll link all these bags and all of the ingredients and everything like that I'm using. So that's pretty much it food-wise. For my supplements, I'm bringing a few additional supplements that I don't normally take, just to mostly support my digestive system. So number one is this pure encapsulation digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are amazing for me when I go out to eat. So if I'm feeling like I'm gonna have like not really sure what the restaurant's gonna be, I like to take one of these, and this one is 180 capsules, so it should last me a good long while, which I'm excited about. So these are a must. I'm also going to be bringing some probiotics. These are orthobiotics, and I take them at night, and they're really just good for boosting your digestive system and like helping the good bacteria and everything thrive in there. This one only has 60 capsules, so I'm probably not going to take this every day. I might take it every other day, or maybe even every 3 days, and just hope that that's enough because I don't have enough room to bring multiple of these. The next thing I'm bringing is electrolytes. I am bringing this high light electrolyte water, and this is great for flying. It's also great for just like when you're feeling super dehydrated, which I'm actually feeling right now, being in this like hot weather in Colorado. But this stuff is made with a really high quality sea mineral base, so it's kind of salty. It doesn't taste awesome, but it's really, really hydrating, and I feel really good drinking it. So since we're going to be traveling a lot, I feel like this is going to be really helpful, and I'm hoping that it lasts a fair amount of time for us. We'll see. But yeah, this is electrolyte water. And then the final two things that I'm bringing are a B12 spray. I always take B12 spray because I'm mostly plant-based, and B12 is just like one of those things that you should try to take. And then I'm also going to bring this Sleep Well spray, which is also from Garden of Life. It's from their My Kind Organics line, and this is a relax and recharge spray. I think it's called R&R, and it's just like a spray that, you know, if we're taking an overnight flight or I'm like having trouble sleeping, I'm hoping that this will just help me like sleep a little bit better. We'll see. And otherwise, that's pretty much it. I am trying to pack light. I'm trying to not like overdo it with my supplements or anything like that, but I feel like I am just bringing a few things that are going to be really helpful for me and really support making sure that I am feeling good while I'm over there. This all might change, so if it does change and I'm feeling like I need new things, or maybe there's things that I'm not using, I'll definitely film another video and let you know. If you have any questions for me, don't forget that you can always use the comment box. I read all of your comments, and if you have any specific questions about this, any of the products I mentioned, or if there's any other like travel related things that you want to see, definitely let me know down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was kind of short and sweet, but hopefully it was still helpful. And I think it's just like interesting to see what people choose to pack. So that's what I'm choosing to pack for 4.5 months. The next video that I will have about travel, like I said, is my packing video. And then other than that, I don't really have any specific travel content planned. I think I'll do some food hauls while I'm over there. I'll definitely do some what I eat in a day videos. But if you have specific travel related content that you're interested in learning about, let me know. And if it doesn't maybe necessarily warrant a full video, I will at least try to write a blog post on it. So thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red button right below this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Use that comment box if you need, and all of the products that I mentioned in today's video are down in the description box. So I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.